today video I have this makeup look for you guys. Very soft glam, I would call. It's nothing too heavy. The eyes is really simple. We only use a couple eyeshadow. So yes, if you guys like this video and if you guys would like to see how I achieve this makeup look, please keep on watching. So for today eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution London. This one right here. This is what the inside looks like. Very beautiful shade. For the first shade, I'm going to be using this one right here. I'm gonna be out of camera to do my eyeliner, my mascara and faux lashes, and then I'll be right back. So the next I'm going to use the new primer that I got is the Dewy Luminous base from the Wet n Wild Photo Focus face primer. This one is also new from the drugstore as well, so I'm gonna be trying it today. I never tried this before, so see how it goes. I'm gonna try to put one side of my face. There's nothing coming. Oh goodness. That's a lot. Okay. So it gives your face a really like luminous looking and more like glowy. So like that, and compare it to the side. Wow. Actually the primer looks really nice, really luminous looking. So I'm gonna be using something really light today, not too full coverage because I still want this one to be a really soft glam. So for the foundation today, I'm gonna be using the Nars Natural Radiance Longwear Foundation in the shade Medium 5. So I'm gonna be using a little bit of this. For the concealer, I have something really excited to try. It's the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and the Contour. This one is in the shade 6. So I was kind of mistake picking the color because I thought the C6 is gonna be a little darker. I'm so sorry, it's like raining outside right now. Yes, so I thought it's gonna be a little darker than this, but it's ended up looking really light. And I also got two color. I got the C2 and C6. And I mean, tell me what's the difference of this two. Don't they look like identical though? Like unless this one maybe a little more yellowish. But yes, I'm going to use this one under my eyes because it's really light. So I'm gonna mix my leftover. So I'm gonna be mixing a little bit of my leftover foundation on top of it to just kind of like hope to not make it too light. So I'm gonna do one side for now. Okay, so first of all, very full coverage, really nice, really blended out really easily as well. Yes, I mean this side and this side, yes, really impressed. And gonna be putting a little bit on this side as well, and same thing, gonna be mix a little bit of my leftover foundation. Yes, so I really like the concealer and also the primer as well. So I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my face and I'll be right back in the camera. Alright, so after I got everything, right now we left to the part where we're gonna do the highlights. And yes, I'm really excited. I have something new to try. I tried this twice and I think it's looked really good, but it's not gonna be like super match today, but really excited to try. So first I'm gonna put a little bit of brush. It looks like you always like blushing all the time, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so after we got the blush, we're gonna move on to the spray first, because I really want to spray my face first before we go to the highlighting part, so to make the highlights more intense. Ooh, smells really good. For today highlighters, I'm gonna be using the Artist Couture in the shade Illuminati. This one I'm gonna be using with something a little more like a pack, like a dense brush. So I feel like the best way to apply this kind of highlight to press it. And just like gently kind of like brushing through a little bit, but I feel like the best way to like pack it on like this, and I'll do a little bit on up here as well. So there, you see the highlight there, and I'm going to repeat the same. Isn't it intense? Oh. So down to the last part, I'm going to use lip color, and for today's lip color I want to do something a little bit more pink to just kind of like match with the eye makeup today. Actually, I'm gonna go with the shade Nene first. So after I do the shade Nene, this one actually look really nice as well, I feel like. But again, I want something a little more toned down. Oh, itchy. So I'm gonna be going back with the shade Dress Me and just did it over this one a little bit. Alright guys, and this is the finished look, and I forgot to mention about the liquid lipstick that I was using. This one is only $2, I believe. Yeah, I think it's like $1.99, and it's really good. Like, as you can tell, it's already dry matte super quick. and it felt a little like heavy, but it's non-sticky at all, like non-sticky, completely dry. See? So yes, I do really love this look, and I hope that you guys also do like this look as well. I think it's really cute, everything just matte, and we also use some light foundation, you know, and our highlights is really on point. And I also forgot to mention about the inner corner highlighter. I was using this shade right here to do my inner corner highlighter. And yes, and I also like a little bit of like a brow bone highlighter as well. And yes, I do really hope you guys like this one. It's a little small first impression, and also some of them just kind of like I want to make a review for you guys, because I know I've been pretty much like gone a bit and I never have time to come back and do the video for you guys. But yes, I really hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.